Going to be doing zombies. So what you're going to need for zombies is you're going to need your fake blood, makeup remover, contact solution, rubbing alcohol, and lotion. Lotion's really important because if you're going to be using latex on someone's skin, you want to make sure that the skin is hydrated so it's easier for them to remove the latex later. And hopefully you guys listen to me and none of you are fuzzy, because latex sticks to facial hair and is painful to remove. You forgot to shave the beard. Oh no, I think you'll be okay. The most important colors I find for doing a zombie is the dark purple, this plum color, grays, and black. Green also comes in very nicely. Make sure you get your ears, because your ears are going to tend to be more pink and have more color. And you want them not to be pink, because then it throws off your whole zombie. To take the lightest color of powder and set me. Alright, make sure you lighten the lips as well, because normally, you know, you don't powder the lips and the eyelids and stuff, but you do want to do that with this. I am going to start giving myself some contouring and stuff, so I'm going to pick up some gray. And I'm going to find natural creases in my face and enhance those. Works best to start increasing those. Losing just the plumpness and the moisture in your skin, so you want to create a sunken effect. So you're going to do contouring in your temple. Is to take a purple, a darker purple, and blend it over the gray and the black. Look what you guys do to me. You're so mean to me. You're killing me here. Such a troublesome class. And then I'm going to take that same purple and do my nostrils. Because my lips. Purple out my lips. And my ears. So now I'm going to take a plum color, like a reddish based plum color, and I'm going to pack this under the eyes and into.
Is that red?
No, this is a red based plum, so it's a purple, but it has a red undertone. And this is going to go more on the lid, closer to the eye, and definitely in here and under here, to give it more of a bruised, dead effect. Give myself some bruises on my forehead. So I'm going to use that same plum color, and I'm just kind of like popping it in, and it makes like a rounded pattern. And then you just kind of spread it out into whatever shape of bruise that you want. And then I'm going to take a darker purple and hit the center points where the heavier color should be. And then I pick up some green and hit the outer edges of that same bruise. I'm going to pick up some blue and put that on my nose over the purple. I don't need a blue tip on my nose, so I'm going to rub that off. And on my lips. on my ears. I am going to take a little bit of purple and enhance my contouring. Alright, I think I look pretty dead now. Now to make a wound. I look ugly. Brush, I'm going to paint latex over the area where I want to put my wound. To it. Taking more latex, I'm gonna get these edges painted down. Alright, so now that the edges are painted down, I am going to take foundation and paint because it looks better. Painted it and then kind of separated it out. I'm going to let it dry. So then when it's dry, I'll set it with powder and then start working and filling in under here. Alright, so set with powder. Now I'm going to take just basic red right now and paint the inside. You can also get creative and draw teeth and muscle tissue and all that stuff. But I'm just doing basic red. Then I'm going to go over it with some purple, give it some depth and make it a little darker because it shouldn't be too bright of a red because I'm dead. So it should be a little not quite so bright. Then I'm going to take a little bit of the plum around the edges of this wound to create a bruising effect, because if a zombie walked up and bit the side of my face, there would be some bruising, even if I died very shortly afterwards. And of course, that doesn't work some red lipsticks to paint in here. Special effects makeup, stage makeup and stuff, it's not just using one product, it's building up layers to make it have dimension. If you're just using one medium, like one product, it's not going to be as realistic looking. I want to add a little more grossness to the inside, so I'm going to get some more tissue and latex and add some more. Alright. I'm going to add some grossness. These ones I'm probably not going to paint. I am just going to latex them on, get them stuck in there, and then just soak them with gross blood. You're like, excuse me, I have class. Get in there. It's not. Of course, you could just like dump it on the face, but it's just really messy, so I suggest adding in small increments. And then when you're ready for dripping, then you pour it on. just sugar. And I am a zombie.
Oh.